Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best electric burners out here. Let's get started with the videos. Number 6. Ovente Infrared Cooktop Burner. While this infrared burner is electric powered, the heating method is different than typical electric burners. Infrared is designed to provide super fast heating, high heat production, and even heat distribution. This 1200-watt burner can be used with any type of cookware and has a sleek glass surface that's easy to clean. It has 12 different temperature levels from 50 to 640 degrees, and it has a timer for cooking from 1 minute to 2 hours, so you can get that pot of rice cooking and know that it will shut off at exactly the right time. A touch control panel sets the time and temperature. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Double Burner. If one spare burner isn't enough, this budget-friendly unit gives you 2 burners that give you a choice of using cooking burner or a warming burner. The hot burner operates at 1000 watts for high heat cooking, while the other operates at 500 watts to keep food warm for serving or for gently heating delicate foods. This is lightweight, so it's easy to move, set up and store. There are separate knobs so you can set the temperatures independently, and 7 different heat settings, from min to 6, give you the flexibility you need for all your cooking. Power indicator lights show when the burners are on to keep you safe. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best electric burners or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. IMUSA Electric Single Burner. If you only need an extra burner on rare occasions, you might not want to spend a lot of money on a high-end unit. This 1100-watt burner is definitely budget-friendly, so you can buy several to increase your cooking space for Thanksgiving or keep multiple pots of food warm on a buffet. This has a coil-style burner, a power indicator light, and a variable temperature control, so you can simmer a sauce or boil water. It has rubber feet to keep it stable on your counter or table, and a short cord for safety. There is one knob for turning the heat on and regulating the temperature. Number 3. Cadco Countertop High Power Hot Plate. This 1500-watt burner isn't the most attractive one you'll find, but it's built with professional standards by a company that makes commercial burners, so it will last a lifetime. It has an 8-inch coil burner, an on-off rocker switch, a light to indicate that the unit is turned on, and a knob for variable heat control from off to high. The housing is made from stainless steel that's easy to clean, but getting under the coil burner for complete cleaning might not be quite as simple. Users have said this is comparable to the burners on their home stoves, with the added bonus that it's portable but heavy-duty. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best electric burners or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 2. Cusimax Electric Countertop Burner. This attractive 1500-watt portable burner works well with any cookware up to 7.4 inches in diameter, with minimal heat loss. It has an auto shut-off function for safety and rubber feet to keep it steady on your counter or table. The burner has 7 thermostatically controlled settings for precise temperature control. Just pick a setting, and the burner will maintain a steady temperature without cycling on and off. Overheating protection will turn the burner off if it overheats, then return it to the cooking temperature to continue cooking. This has a relatively short cord, 1 meter, for safety, and the smooth black-coated stainless steel housing is easy to clean. Number 1. Cuisinart Cast Iron Burner. The burner element on this portable unit is made from a plate of heavy-duty cast iron that's nearly indestructible, while it also retains heat well and distributes it evenly, eliminating hot spots when cooking. The flat surface is also easier to clean than coil-type burners. This 1300-watt burner has one knob that turns the unit on and controls the 6 heat settings from min to 5. Lights indicate that the burner is on and at the set temperature. While this isn't a pretty appliance, the brushed stainless steel exterior will fit almost any kitchen decor, and it's easy to wipe clean when cooking is done. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.